Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how I built this outdoor sofa. I start by measuring out my lumber. I'll provide a cut list in the next 20 seconds. Here's the cut list for the sides. Here are the measurements for the seat section. Finally, the cut list for the backrest. I like to sand the cut lumber with 80 to 100 grit sandpaper before installation. I am now drilling pocket holes to build a rectangle for the seat section of the sofa. Make sure to use a generous amount of glue for this build. If you don't have an extra set of hands, you can use clamps to hold the lumber together. Once I have the rectangle built, I mark 2.5 inches apart where I'll put each 19-inch lumber. It is easier to flip the base upside down and slip the lumber all the way down. You'll notice that I drilled pocket holes into each piece. This part isn't necessary, but I want a clean finish, so I'm using stainable wood filler between the gaps. Now I'm building the backrest section. Notice that the lumber is laying flat, unlike the seat section. The pieces in the middle are set at 3 inches apart. The last section to build are the legs. I don't have any clamps long enough, so I'm pushing the lumber against something so that everything is tight together. Now it's time to connect all three sections. I take the backrest and the legs and I measure 12 inches from the ground. I will connect them with pocket holes at these spots. I do the same measurement on the other side. I recommend getting help for connecting the back to the legs. The alternative is to drill the pocket holes at the front of the backrest so you can lay everything flat on the ground. I will then be connecting the backrest to the seat. As you can see, I'm using pocket holes and glue. Here, I'm connecting the seat to the legs. Now that the installation is done, I am sanding everything with 120 grit sandpaper. Before I stain, I always use a wood conditioner so that the stain is applied evenly. We decided to use two stains to give the sofa a unique look. Finally, I'm adding waterproofing to the build so that it will resist the outdoor elements. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.